Change yourself within, little by little. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to law number 25. Before this law, 24 laws are already live on this channel, and I will recommend you to check those out because it is a series from this beautiful book, The Daily Law, written by Robert Greene, and it will be easy for implement the learning in your life. So let's dive into it. See, as a human, we tend to fix problem whatever we see from our eyes. That is the most, animal part of our human nature, the animal instinct. Let's say if you saw a person who is achieving lots of things in his life, he is successful. So we often tend to associate it with luck, that he was meeting a right person at right amount of time, at right opportunity, or we just associate things to luck. We often forget that he was working for so many years to achieve this thing. He was working hard, he was disciplined, he was consistent, he was determined. He sacrificed lots of things for just this opportunity. Because see, the human nature is like, we generally cannot accept that anyone is better than us in every field. We often accept that, okay, you are better in one or two fields, but I am better than you in so many fields. Because human is an egoistic animal. And accepting this thing will lower down our ego. So that is why we generally associate these things with either nature or luck or maybe XYZ reasons. Because bahane banana bahut aasan hai. So what we have to do as a growing individual, as a rebellion, that we need to implement small changes in our life. That's the title of the book, Change Yourself Within. Like from inside you have to change yourself. Let's say if I have a habit of waking up at 9 or 10 a.m. If I decrease it with 15 minutes, that means I'll get 15 minutes more to work. If I do not have the right habit of reading or writing, if I can just write a single page at the end of the year, I would have finished 365 page writing or book. So these small changes will actually increase my confidence and bring a positive change in myself, and also change my attitude towards life. So we have to change our vision of seeing other things, how we interpret other things. That is decided by our eyes and brain. We generally, because of our society और जो भी हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं, we generally associate these things with negativity or like luck या कुछ भी. But we need to understand that no, इसके पीछे भी बहुत लंबी कहानी है. So many things are there behind the story which we do not know. You take an example of any entrepreneur, any scientist, any painter. He was working hard enough to get that particular luck, and it come for an instant, like for just 1 or 2 seconds of time, and they grab it because they were conscious. Now here is the key learning from the book. What would you work on if no one was looking? If money were no object? Ladies and gentlemen, I repeat, what would you work on if no one was looking? If no money were on object? Think about it, and you can answer it in the comment section. So that is all for this law. I'll catch you next law. Also, we have a Telegram group where we are trying to create a healthy society, a healthy community of great aspirants. So if you think that is helpful for you, because we share study materials, share our daily task, and for accountability we share our working hours, like how much study we have, how much hours we have studied. So if you think that is helpful for you, you can join that. So that is all for today. I'll catch you next law. Tab tak keep studying, keep working hard, keep growing. Jai Hind.